This will be a quick video. When I was at the junkyard, I picked up a washer bottle because mine, although it works and everything, it's quick and easy to get out on these. You just tilt and pull out. Mine, at some point, looks like it had fallen over, and it's just cosmetic, honestly. I had to JB weld it right here. Can y'all see? I JB welded it right here because it had a big hole right here where it had looked like maybe gotten up against the power steering pulley right there and had a hole in it. So, like I said, cosmetic, but wanted to make it better, and I think I paid $3 or $4 for it. I got it without the pump. It's cheaper without the pump. So, and this grommet looks in good shape. Mine was not. I'm going to go ahead and put a little silicone around the shaft of the pump, just because, make sure it doesn't leak. And we'll actually wait to put any liquid in it until it sets up. And reach across to y'all real quick. Silicone's dried up, so we're going to poke a hole in the end of it. So we're going to take it. And on the pump itself, go around here. Probably a little too much, but we're going to put it around that way, and that way it's not it doesn't get on the end right here. We'll end up with silicone in the bottle, and then it just slips in. And locks in like that. Turn it a little bit like that. And that's it. Clamp that down a little more. There, tighter fit. Easy. And it looks nicer. My parts card didn't have one on it when I got it, so. Quick, easy video of washer bottle install. Not much to it. So, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.